Morning, good morning, good morning. Here's what we have, the basement that we've been remodeling. We finished with the ceilings. We finished with our hi-hats and everything. We have this vinyl flooring that's been going down. It's laminate. Here's what we have. It already comes with its own underlayment. It's actually waterproof. So this is what we've been putting down here on the basement. All right. I also run it into the kitchen area. Okay. I also run it in the laundry. I kept everything consistent. Got to finish putting in my pieces over there. Waiting for the last minute so I could do my cuts. Got this whole side completed. Inside the laundry room. Everything you see here, tile works, all the cabinets, all the lightings, all the sheetrock, all the spackle, all the framing, all the paint, all the trim, everything is done by me. Inside the bathroom. Gotta hang up this light. Later on, I'm gonna put up the vanity and this light bar up there. All these tile works and everything was all done by me. I'm gonna be putting a GFI up there. We have the light switch, vanity light, and I have a heater built in with the light. And I also did the shower on the inside. Went ahead and put in the soap dish. Okay. Got to finish putting in my trim later on today. And then we come into this room here. The floor still continues, all in one. No saddle. My goal for the day would be to finish up these pieces here. The cuts on the other side. These pieces here. All right. And all inside the bar. So that's it. Till later, my friend. Thank you for watching.